Yes, definitely. To be frank, I came with zero expectations and I wasn't sure what would be happening in servant leadership. So I just wanted to try it out once during my tenure in university, and I think I made a very good decision of opting for the servant leadership. And the trainers, they are so skilled, and the way they present and how they put the entire group as one and how they engage them in the activities is just amazing. And today being the second day, like I thought, like what should be I be expecting? So I was just thinking about it, and it's really good. And I feel so honored to be a part of servant leadership, and looking forward to connecting with you all more frequently. And definitely, servant leadership is going to work in all organizations, not only profit, not profit. It is applicable for all organizations, and it is good. And if incorporated in a right manner, it is going to be a huge success and a big hit. Yes, definitely. And after attending this training, I came to know the linkage between how OVC and servant leadership are connected. And basically, the basic takeaway from the servant leadership is that so if you are a servant leader, the OVC is automatically imbibed in you, and you need not have to take any OVC sessions or orientations separately. It's already there. Definitely, I already suggested to one of my teammate who is pretty much a junior, but worth attending. I already suggested, and I would recommend my other teammates, the fellow teammates, also to register and get all the benefits from servant leadership program.